Document templates are documents needed by you to run your business. Typically these would be property information flyers for marketing, standard letters, tenancy agreements, holiday let agreements, statements, invoices, etc. We don't use a set of standard templates. We allow you, the user, to import your own documentation so that you're familiar from the outset. So we go to Document Template, New, so what I'm going to do now is put together a simple template for existing terms and conditions for holiday rentals. So I'll give it a name. I'll just call it terms and conditions for now. The data type, it's either applicable to a contact, a holiday let, etc. In this particular case, it's going to be a contact that you send these terms and conditions to, so the variable fields will be in this particular record. The attachment name is the name of the attachment when it's sent as a PDF to the user. I'll keep it the same. To allow multiple objects is to allow multiple lines on a statement, for example, or multiple property pictures. Rather than just pinking up single fields, it will see there are multiples and it will add them in. Subject. What I'm going to do now is take an existing document that I use within my business and paste it into the body. For example, this. Now what I can do is put a logo in here, left justify, put insert image, input from the computer, and then just browse for the image and insert it. That'll put your logo in the corner here. And now I want to put various variables in here which you would typically have been typing in. So this agreement is made on, if we want today's date, we click this box, which is all the variables, and the system date is the last thing always. Between the homeowner and in here, I'm going to put the addressee, address line 1, the town, space, postcode, so this is going to address a letter to the homeowner. It's a contract between these two people. The homeowner, we can actually fill the full name in here. We just go to full name. And you can see the idea is that if I save and close this, that this is another template that we could be using during the course of the business. I'll save and close that. And when this is sent, then all of these variables are filled in by the system. Now, most document templates are sent as an attachment, a PDF attachment to an email. So when you send an email with that attachment, it's good to put in some text into the body. But if you want to save time and not type it in each time, then you can actually set up email templates. So click email template, new email template. and we could say that this is the email template that goes with the previous template we did, the terms and conditions. We'll keep it simple, call it the same name, then you won't get confused. Subject is, this is the title that goes in the subject line of the email itself. And then in the body, typically there are no substituted fields here. And if we save and close that, then every time we want to send the terms and conditions to a prospect, then we can specify this particular email template and it will autofill this part of the email for you. Task templates allow you, the user, to define common tasks which will be set up as a series of reminders by the system. Each one will be associated with either a tenancy or a holiday let. For example, for each holiday let that you set up, you may want a reminder to ensure that the building's insurance certificate is valid. So, to set up a task template, go to Task Template, New, we put in the name, and you can have as many of these as you like. We'll associate this task template with holiday lets. Save and close. And now we need to associate some tasks. Now the handler, you don't have to put the handler in, but if, for example, you have somebody who typically handles all reminders and outstanding maintenance, etc., then you could make sure that this goes to their to-do list so that they're prompted to actually chase these things. The day's offset is the date after which, the number of days after which the task is due. In this case, we think that it may be after 7 days. We should have this information. If after 7 days we don't have the information, the task on the to-do list will turn red. The template is optional in that you could add a document template in here that you've already set up, and that will make it easier to send. For example, we could send a letter directly to the owner asking for this information, and the subject is and we can add as many of these tasks as we like, but in this case I'll just save and close. and that's the end of this video.